Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you how to bleach the knots on a lace frontal wig. This is Brazilian hair. This is HD lace. So I'm going to show you how to bleach the knots. So the things that you're going to need: a lace frontal or a lace closure, your tint bowl and brush, some bleach of your choosing. I like to use Schwarzkopf Blonde Me. I normally always use 30 volume developer for mine. And I will be needing a spray bottle just with water. It doesn't need to be any type of product. So the first thing I do is take my spray bottle and I will spray the baby hairs on the front of the lace just to get them out the way. So brush the hairs out of the way. And then you can go ahead and flip it over and lay it flat. Mix your bleach and your developer to make a very thick consistency. You don't want it dripping, only because you don't want it seeping through the lace too much. You want it to be thick enough just to sit right on top of the lace. That way you have more control over the knots that you're bleaching and how far you want the bleach to go through the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. And if it's too watery, just add more bleach. And if it's way too thick, just add a little bit more developer. You just want it to be the right consistency. I can already tell my consistency is too watery. You see how it just kind of fell off my brush? I need it to be a little bit thicker than that. So I'm gonna take just a little bit more bleach and add that in there. And mix it up. Yeah. And that is the consistency that you want. You don't want it to fall off of your brush at all. You don't want it to move out of your tint bowl at all. So that's exactly what we need. So now we can go ahead and get started. Okay, so we have our frontal where we need it to be. I have my bleach already mixed up. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of bleach. I always start at the hairline and work my way backwards. So I'm just gonna brush it on lightly. You do not wanna push through the lace. Even if you feel like you're not pushing far enough through your lace, you want to go check it first. You can always flip it over, look at it, take a good look and see if the knots are showing through the lace. If they are, then you can just flip it back over and push the bleach a little bit further into the knots so you can get really good coverage. So as light as possible the first time you start, and if later on you need to push them through a little bit more, you can definitely do that. The worst part is if you push it through too far and it ends up bleaching the hair more than you like, then you're gonna have to go back through with some color, some black or brown hair color, and fix it. And hopefully you won't have to do the process all over again. All right, so I am going to flip it over really quick and check my knots. I'm just gonna take a look at it. If there are any hairs that are too far in the bleach, just go ahead and pull them out. All right, mine look exactly the way I need it to be. If you find that there's, let me show you. I'm gonna lay this flat. If you find that there's bleach coming through on this side of your lace, take a water bottle and a little napkin. Like I'm gonna clean this part off right here. A water bottle, a little napkin, and just wipe the bleach off of the hair. And I will just check this side probably every 5 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. It is 30 volume developer, so you do not want it to over bleach. I would say maximum maybe 15 minutes, but you're definitely gonna have to watch and see how far it's gonna go. So after this step, I will go in with some purple shampoo and tone the knots from more of a yellow orange to a natural color, and then I can go ahead and continue using my frontal. Okay, so I have let this sit on for about almost 15 minutes, and I will be toning the knots with this Joico purple shampoo. This is the one I like to use. You can use any purple shampoo as long as you let it sit on there for a little while, just so the knots can tone accurately. I normally let this sit on there for maybe like 15-20 minutes. I just leave it in the sink and forget about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll come back on after everything's rinsed out. Okay, so this is what my frontal looks like completely rinsed out from the purple shampoo that I use. Your knots should be perfectly toned after you let the purple shampoo sit on there for a little while. All right, and I actually bleached more than one, and they all are toned exactly the way I need them to be. This lace is definitely really light, but there are no knots, all lace and hair. So that is it. You can definitely just style and put on your frontal as you need to. Customize it, pluck the hairline if you need to pluck anymore, and go ahead and install it on yourself or your client, and you are good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.